Hey guys, so today I'm showing you how to do this easy, fun Valentine's Day eyeshadow look using my James Charles palette. So if you would like to see how I did this eyeshadow, just keep on watching and I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Bye! Alright guys, so we're just gonna jump right into this Valentine's look. Before I apply my eyeshadow, I always go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm gonna put this on my eyelids. So lately I've been doing my eyeshadows first before my foundation. So in this video, you'll just see me doing my eyeshadow. Everything else I will do off camera so that you can just get the eyeshadow look. All right, so I am going to just put this on my eye. I'm going to take my super silicone sponge that I used in my last video. It's kind of dirty, sorry. Okay, I'm going to blend this out. Okay, so after I got that concealer on my eyelids and it's ready to go for eyeshadow, I am going to jump into my James Charles palette. All right, so this palette is so huge. All right, so I'm going to go into this shade right here, this super bright pink. So I'm gonna dip into that hot pink because it's Valentine's Day. Come on now. And I'm just taking a fluffy brush. This is from Tarte. These brushes were limited edition, sorry, but I mean, I'm just using them because all of my other brushes were dirty. I'm going to put this shade in my outer V and into my crease. And I'm putting it on my inner corner as well. As you can see, I'm bringing it down right here. And I am bringing it up. I'm kind of leaving this little piece right here. I'm kind of not messing with it. I'm kind of just bringing in this shade all the way down here like that. I'm going to do the same thing I did to this side, to this eye. Okay, so that is the same now. Now I am going to go into this pretty shade right here. So I'm going to use this other Tarte brush and I'm going to use this to apply that other shade I showed you. And I'm going to place this on the outer V. So I'm going to do the same thing I did here to this eye. Okay, so now I did the same thing to this eye. Now I'm going to go into this little, it's like this one right here. is a little pinky shade. So I'm going to grab it with my finger and I'm going to put it in that inner part of my eyelid right there. Right here. And I'm just placing it back, well, side to side, like that. Right there. I'm gonna do the same thing to this eye. So now I'm going to go into this pretty shade right here. This one right here. I'm gonna put that one on top of the shimmer I put in the middle of my eye. I got some on my finger and I'm going to place it on top, just like so. So you can see. Just like so. And I'm going to grab some more and put it over here. Now I'm going to take the fluffy brush that I had used for the hot pink. I'm not picking up any product. I'm just going to use it to blend out any harsh lines. So I'm doing the outer V into the crease and into just right here, all around that shimmer, just because I don't want any harsh lines. So I'm barely tapping into here. I just want it to look nice and seamless. So you can see, that's all I did. I'm gonna do the same thing to this eye. I am going to get my Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Gurriero Glow Kit. Woo, man. So right now, I guess I'm going to go into Kitty Cats because I love it. It looks so pretty. I'm going to get it into one of these brushes right here. It's like a pointer brush. And I am going to put it under my brow bone. Actually gonna put a little bit on my lid. I'm just winging it, guys. I just wanted a little bit more shimmer, so I'm just putting a little bit on top of the middle lid, just a little bit. I am going to get a thin flat brush. I'm going to get this hot pink and I'm going to put it underneath, like on top of my waterline. So I'm going to get a bit. I'm going to put it under here. Do the same thing to the other eye. Then I'm going to get this second shade right here that we used on the top of our lid. Well, now I'm gonna put it on the bottom as well. Usually whatever shadow I use up here, I like to match it down below. So I'm going to get another clean, fluffy brush and I'm going to blend that out. Now I am going to go into my Nicole Gurriero and I'm going to use that same highlight in Kitty Cat that I used for under my brow bone. Well, I'm going to use that pinky shade for my highlight today since it's Valentine's Day and I'm going for a pinkish look. So I am going to get that with this highlight brush that came in my Ipsy bag. I'm going to use my NYX setting spray. I'm going to spray the brush and I am going to dip into that kitty cat. I'm gonna use that same shade and I'm gonna put it down the bridge of my nose. Get that same shade and I'm gonna put them on the inner part of my eye. So I am going to spray my entire face with the NYX Dewy Spray. Oh, I love it. I love this part. Alrighty. Next, I am going to do my lips. I'm going to use a new product from my Ipsy bag. It's called Mad Love. And why not? I'm doing Valentine's look and it's called Mad Love. So I'm not gonna lie, this is my first time trying this for my Ipsy bag, the Context Liquid Liqueur for my lips, and I love it. Like, look at the shine it has. It reminds me of a Barbie doll. Look how pretty. Anywho, thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and comment below. Thank you. Bye-bye.